Welcome back channel. Popular Food Tourism USA. Today, I take you tour at night market at Palm Parking Casino, Las Vegas, Nevada. The night market at Palms, Las Vegas is a lively and bustling outdoor event that takes place on select weekends throughout the year. Located in the parking lot of the Palms Casino Resort, the market features a wide variety of vendors selling everything from handmade crafts and jewelry to clothing and accessories. As you wander through the market, you'll be able to sample delicious food from local vendors and enjoy live music and entertainment. With a festive atmosphere and plenty of opportunities to browse and shop, the night market at Palms, Las Vegas is a fun and unique experience for locals and visitors alike. The market is typically open from late afternoon until late evening, and admission is free. Keep in mind that the exact dates and times of the night market can vary, so be sure to check the Palms Las Vegas website or social media pages for the latest information. Alright. Now you can watch the video of channel Popular Food Tourism USA. The market open till May 2023. If you want to visiting, please check 626 Night Market, Las Vegas. Before you go,